guys, my name is noatugy, and today I'm going to try the Rom&nd My Melody and Kuromi collection. I'm going to make two looks today, one My Melody look and one Kuromi look. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to start my face with primer by ᴇᴍᴱ. It's Mermaid Skin Gel UV. I really like it. It keeps my skin really safe. I'm going to apply it with my fingers. I think this is the best way to apply it. Wow, this is so awkward. Watch me doing this. Next, I'm going to apply this super cute cushion from the collection, which is the My Melody cushion by Rom&nd. I find this one super nice. Like, it's fit my skin, which is already a bonus for me because it's hard for me to find a foundation because I'm so pale. So this one fits for me and it's not too cakey or too covering. I do my face is a little bit of acne here. Just managed to cover them. My skin is a little bit in stress right now for obvious reasons. But I'm slowly taking care of it. I do a little bit of a light comb. I put it in here just to not make it too cake, and I start to cover my skin. It takes me a little bit of time to apply cushion foundation. I still didn't really figure out how to get very medium coverage, because it makes my skin tone to be even, and it works for me as a person who doesn't need much coverage most of the time, and usually I depend on concealer much more. Next, I'm going to apply concealer. This is by Makeup Revolution. I have zero clue what the shade is. Oh, it's written CO5. Next, I'm going with Tarte Shape Tape a little bit. I love using two concealers because this one is more brightening for my face, which I really appreciate. I'm a little bit conflicted if to apply with my fingers or to apply with the Rom&nd one. I think I'll apply it with the Rom&nd so it can reach places I can't usually reach. Next, we're going to apply powder. My skin is super textured, so I usually don't apply powder everywhere. Oh my god, I forgot to show you the product. I'm using Innisfree No 7mm color powder. I really like it. It smells really good and it's super nice and gentle for the skin. It's a loose powder under the eye. It's still wet even though it's been like several days since I washed it. I feel like it really closes the pores, make my skin looks a little bit smoother. Also not burn your eyes. Now, to do my Melody makeup first. I'm going to make it a little bit more innocent, so I'm not going to do shading. I'm using heavy rotation brow pencil, by the way, I forgot to mention. Slowly filling the brows one line by line. I just accidentally missed right now. I'm going to use concealer to clean up everything. Okay, nice and done. I'm going to do it on the other hand to make sure everything sits nicely. Why am I always missing? Holy fuck. You see very well. Don't worry. Now after this is done, we're going to use the little brush at the end to brush everything. Oh my god, my hair bothers me. I forgot to bring my little cinnamon roll hair band. We're going to make do. So far, so cute. Right? This is looking pretty cute, right? Alright, my brows look a little bit strong now, but when it'll be done, it looks fine with the eyes and the flushing and all of that. We're going to use ᴇᴍᴱ Cream Cheek Blush. It's 03. It is a cream blush, so I'm going to apply it on my fingers. It has a very sheer, cool tone color. I think it would suit my Melody perfect, because she's a very, very cute character. A little bit this in the nose to make sure everything's cute and nice. I'm going to apply, because I can call myself, my favorite blush by Smyang. It's a blush and highlighter duo. It's very rose gold and beautiful. I'm going to take a small brush and apply it on the center. It's a little bit more flashy, which I really like. Then we're going to apply a highlighter on the duo. I really love this highlighter. Super pretty. Gives a very healthy glow. Super cute, right? You can see maybe a scar here again, which is a little bit annoying. But we're going to live with it. Now we're going to do the eyes, I think. Is this My Melody palette, so cute. The Rom&nd. It's super nice and pretty. I'm going to show you how to make you look cute like My Melody. First, we're going to use that little one with the cherries. I'm going to apply it all over. If you've seen me switch my hands from left to right, I use both hands to apply my eye makeup. Just how I do that. With my crease a little bit more different. I'll apply the sparkles in a bit. I see myself very well. First of all, I'm taking this beautiful glitter sheet with my fingers and I'm going to apply it in the center like this. Oh my god. This thing just fell in my chest right now. Looks much glittery. It's really like so pretty, right? Just a little very bling bling. Ah! What is happening with me? My brush fell. Oh, here's the fourth brush. It was in my butt. Fun times working in my room. I usually do my makeup in the bathroom. I wanted to film in my room because I don't want to show my bathroom. It's not a very nice scenery. Because it's ugly, I just don't think I want to film a video in the bathroom again. Good. Super cute and shiny, right? You need to take the darkest shade, take it with a highline brush. Make sure to tap 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 so you won't have any fallout, because then it will destroy your beautiful look you worked hard on. And then you start to draw very slowly, because it's My Melody. She's a cute character. For the first time ever in my life, I'm going to draw my eyes down. I never do that. I usually do a very nice cat eye as my eyes are super seated. Dun, 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 dun. Don't worry, we're going to cover it up with an eyeliner anyways. Wow, you see absolutely nothing. What to do, I don't know. And now I start to see. Up, 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 up. Now the other eye. This is My Melody. Is a cute little character. I'm dripping my eye down. You know, it's starting to show up. We're done with the palette. Yay! Yeah, I'm using my brow pencil. I did not have an eyeliner. I recently prefer to do it with my eyeshadow, but I want to make it a little bit stronger, so using brow pencil is not a bad idea. Usually don't do it tilting it. It doesn't look good on me. Super pretty, right? Oh my god, I'm such a snob. Now we're going to do the eyelashes. We're going to use our Tonic Quick Lash color. The name is a little bit faded, so it means I use it a lot, right? Oh my god, I forgot to bring tissues. Oh no. I dirtied this area here as usual. Thought I had my shit figured out, but apparently not. Sure, I like this mascara. First I was really weirded out that it's a comb instead of a brush. I actually prefer it that way. It's much easier to do my lashes that way. Because my lashes are so perfect, I'm not going to put fake lashes. And we are going to apply lips. We're going to apply 2 lip colors. We're going to apply Cherry Girl and My Melody. We're going to first start with Cherry Girl, which is a very pinkish and cutish color. Oh my god, I need to clean it up a little bit as I have super thin lips. I actually really like the scent and a little bit of a taste. It has a very citrusy smell and taste. We're going to apply My Melody, which is a very peachy look, on the center of the lips as a little point. Makes my lips look much glosser and cuter. That's why I like it. That's it. We're done with the My Melody look. I am going to do a little cute hairstyle and I'll be back. I don't want to dress up, so we're just going to do a cute hairstyle. I forgot to use a setting spray. It's a Makeup Mist by ᴇᴍᴱ. Actually, you shake it up a little bit. And you do this. It has super nice scent. And I feel like it makes my face hydrated. And it keeps my makeup for a bit longer. Okay, now we're done. Hairstyle. And I'll be back. I did cute little funny pigtails. Because I always imagine My Melody wearing cute pigtails like this. Super cute, super innocent. And this is the makeup that I made for my melody. Next, we're going to do Kuromi. Super excited. Thank you for watching until now for my melody part. And I'll see you when I'll do Kuromi, which is for you in a bit. I removed my eyes and my lips, and I brought some products that I need. So I'm going to do a little bit of touch-ups and then I'll do my eyes and my lips, and then it'll be the end. I just took out my little shading powder. First of all, we're going to reapply the concealer under the eye because I removed that obviously. And of course a little dot on my nose, why not? I'm going to put powder again, just a little bit to make sure everything's covered. Now, right, shading. Because, oh my god, why am I moving this with my feet? Stop moving the camera with your feet. Okay, because Kuromi is kind of a very cool and badass character, I am going to apply some shading in comparison to my melody. I'm going to apply it on my nose and on other areas. And apply it in round circles like this. So the brightest shade. You apply it all over. So I'm trying to make my nose look more Greek-like and to make my crook disappear. Actually, I'm still new to shading. I'm not very good at this at all. My nose is super big. I don't like it, but I don't want to do plastic surgery. I'm not ready for that. Mentally, at least. Mentally, physically, whatever. I'm trying to ignore the crook by putting more attention on the outer area. Does anybody have any tips for shading and contour? It's something that I'm struggling with despite being an artist. Put shade here because when I put glasses, my nose usually looks straight, so I kind of want to mimic that. Now we're going to use the darkest shade. Don't worry, I'm not scratching my nose. Did I finally figure out my nose game? Probably not. But my nose looks straight now, right? It looks kind of straight. I'm kind of surprised with myself. I didn't do my face contour yet. Don't worry, I will. Just want to apply highlight first to destroy everything. Should go around here and then go over here. Over here. I think it looks fine. Did we do this? What do you think? I need a little bit of a light shading anyway, so just give a little bit of the vibe of being a badass cool girl. Should have more cool tone shading. I'm actually thinking of applying contour palette by Too Cool for School, Etude, or Daisy. One of those three, I haven't decided yet. Just want something that would suit my pale skin and want to make it too warm. Oh my god, textures start to forming. Great. Well, my skin looks like skin. I'm going to reapply the blush a little bit. I just want to bring it a little bit to the edges. I think you shouldn't apply highlights if you have a textured skin, but it makes my skin feel a little bit more alive in a sense. So I like to apply it anyways. Going to use the Kuromi palette of Rom&nd. Super cute. Don't like super pigmented palettes because there's always a fallout everywhere. I mostly prefer palettes like the Japanese palettes where you need to layer them up to make the color pop. Oh my god, I think I put too much. I need to smoke it a little bit, honestly. Why not? You only live once, you know? Oh my god, I feel like it's such a pastel goth. I just wanted to be. Pretty, right? Ow! Oh my god, I entered glitter into my eye. Oh my god, no. Super cute. Now we're going to do the outer eyeliner. Now listen to me, it's very important. Make sure to tap, or else all your eyes will become panda eyes. You don't want that. Tap. And you pray that to the fallout gods that there would be no fallout. I'm doing it upward like I normally do. I'm actually going to use the leftovers, connect it slightly bit down to give it a little bit of more smokiness and funkiness. I think we're kind of done. Might do something really stupid right now. I want to put more glitter. There's no such thing as too much glitter, right? Oh my god, glitter entered my eyes. I guess there is too much glitter. Whew. Alright, we're going to do mascara since all my lashes are now purple. I'm going to use the Essence Default Lashes Mascara. So I don't like this mascara, but it's okay. Because I still have some leftovers from the brown mascara from earlier, so it works a little bit better. How it looks like so far, super pretty. Now we're going to my lips, do a little hairstyle, and we'll be done. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to get the second color of the Roman Kuromi. I only managed to get the Kuromi color. Right, this is how it's called. Oh, it's called Custard Mauve, I think. Yeah, Custard Mauve. I actually really like this color. It's a bit like, it's not too extreme, especially since my eyes are super cute, or rather super cool. Anyways, I'm going to do the hairstyle and I'll be back. I didn't have any skulls or anything like that, but I decided to do a little high ponytail with a little ribbon here, as it makes Kuromi feels sexy and cute. This is what I decided to do, and this is Kuromi look and also my melody look from earlier. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun watching me play with this Rom&nd Kuromi and My Melody collection. I had fun playing with it with you all. And you'll see this video very, very, very soon. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe, like, give me comments, and check out my blog as well. Bye bye.